For my Enme 351 final project, I created an Arduino Skittles color sorter, which is programmed by both Arduino and processing languages. For my sensing and color detection, I used a TCS230 color sensor, which is connected here between two breadboards and powered by the Arduino Uno. The TCS230 senses color light with an array of 8x8 photodiodes. Then, with the current to frequency converter, the photodiode readings are outputted as a square wave with the frequency directly proportional to the light intensity. I was able to record the different frequencies when exposed to red, green, yellow, and brown Skittle colors. Based on the output of the sensor, the bottom servo motor will rotate the ramp so that the Skittle can fall into the appropriate bin. I wanted to mount my sensor to the rest of the apparatus, but due to the fact that the sensor was very sensitive to external light, that the Skittle had to be very close in order to produce an accurate reading, and that I only had male breadboard jumper wires, I created these pieces to help block external light and produce a better reading from the sensor. First, I'll start with the red Skittle. The top servo motor will rotate to the sensor detection position. Here, the sensor collects information from the red, green, and blue filtered photodiodes. Based on the range of frequencies, the serial monitor will print a 1, 2, 3, or 4 based on the color of the Skittle. Here, the serial monitor will print a 1. The processing window will tell us that the Skittle is red, and based on the series of if statements, the ramp points to the desired location and drops the Skittle into the red bin. Here, the Skittle is green. The serial monitor will output the number 2. It will tell us that it's green, and the ramp rotates to the desired position. For the yellow Skittle, the serial monitor will output the number 3. The processing window will tell us that it's yellow, the ramp will rotate, and the Skittle will be dropped down the hole and into the bin. And for the brown Skittle, the serial monitor will output the number 4. Processing window tells us it's brown, the ramp rotates, and once again the Skittle drops. If the frequencies don't match those of the 4 colors, the processing window will tell us that there was an error.